This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by pj.parker. This charming home sits on a corner lot in Port Norfolk and features an open floor plan with granite countertops in the kitchen, stainless steel appliances, updated full bathroom, ceiling fans, recessed lighting, fenced-in front and backyard, laminate wood floors, and an incredible wrap-around porch. Located close to the interstate, this home surely will not last long. Hurry and schedule your private tour today. For more information, review the details below.